How to convert an mp4 file to MOV on Android. This tutorial shows you how to do it quickly using an online converter without losing any quality. First, open Chrome on your Android device and go to cloudconvert.com. From there, tap Select File to choose the video you want to convert. After that, select the mp4 file from your Gallery or Files app, depending on where it's saved. At this point, once the file is uploaded, tap the Output Format dropdown and select MOV as your target format. Following this, tap Convert at the bottom to start the conversion process. Give it a moment to finish depending on the size of your file. From here, once the conversion is complete, tap Download to save the MOV file directly to your device. Keep in mind that Cloud Convert processes your file in the cloud, so you'll need a stable internet connection for the upload and download to go smoothly. Larger files may take a little longer to convert. That's how you convert mp4 to MOV on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.